In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page in Foxit PDF Reader. Now, to be able to do this, we actually are going to have to use a combination of Foxit PDF Reader and Foxit PDF Editor. So if you don't have it yet, make sure you get the PDF Editor as well, because it's going to help you tremendously if you want to achieve this. Now, over here, as you can see, you have the pages on the left, so thumbnails, and you can see there's actually no way to actually edit a new page. So you want to go to the top here into the search box, and you want to type in insert pages. There we go. And then from here, you can hover over insert pages, and it's going to allow you to do this from file, folder, or whatever. But if I do, for example, blank page over here, it's going to say that I can only continue inside the Foxit PDF editor. So if you have it installed on your computer, that's great because you can use it. So just click on open Foxit PDF editor, and inside it, open up the same document. And then here, this is where you can actually go to basically pages over here on the left, and you'll be able to click on this plus icon to insert pages. And then here, of course, you can insert them from here, or you could go to the very top here and you can click on organize, and then in here you can also find, of course, you can insert here and you can do blank page. You can select where you want it, press OK, and there we go. You can add a page that way, and then of course you can save that document and you can open it back up inside your Foxit PDF Reader, and there you'll be able to see your new page. So that's unfortunately the only way to do it, using the two apps together. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.